Katie, do you want more bananas? You want more? You want more? Here you go. You want to try to feed yourself? No, you want me to feed you. Yeah? What are you going to do? Are you going to clap for me? Yay! Yay! Good job, sweetie. Yeah, good job. Nice! Nice clapping! Are those bananas good? Yeah! Good job. Yeah. Yeah, you do like to clap. I know, it's because we're so excited that you're eating solid foods. You want to get your water? Let me help you with that. Let's get it at a better angle. Oopsies. Too much water. Yes, but good job. Good coughing. Good coughing. You want some more banana? You want some more? Oops. You missed that piece. How about this piece? Oh, you got it. Good job, Katie. Can you put it in your mouth? No, we can't really figure that out just yet. Here, you want to try it? Alright, before she chokes herself, I'm going to stop recording. Alright, say bye-bye to everyone at home. Bye-bye. You liking bananas?